हाय एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ भावना, वेलकम सनी कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम मिल रहे हैं न्यू स्टूडेंट के साथ। ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम मिल रहे हैं एक न्यू स्टूडेंट से और इन्होंने PAU CET जनरल कैटेगरी में रैंक 1 हासिल किया है। बिल्कुल सही सुन रहे हैं आप, जनरल कैटेगरी में PAU CET में फर्स्ट रैंक होल्डर हैं। पूछेंगे कि इनकी क्या स्ट्रेटजी थी, कैसे पढ़ते थे। तो पहले तो आपका क्या नाम है जी?
Hello everyone, I am Ishta Garg. I have done my schooling from Kundan Vidya Mandir and I secured first rank in PAU CET.
मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस डियर, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रैंक है ये।
Thank you.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इतना फर्स्ट रैंक लेके? मतलब हम ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि थोड़ी मेहनत और करो, थोड़ा इम्प्रूव और करो, है ना?
I know, right? My family was very proud since I did it in a very short time of span. So yeah.
ओके, आप कहाँ से हैं?
I'm from Ludhiana.
ओके। सो व्हाट वाज योर स्टडी स्ट्रेटजी?
I think my strategy was time management. It was the most important thing in my preparation and following the notes provided by teachers.
आपने कहाँ के नोट्स को प्रेफर किया था?
I preferred my class notes as well as the notes provided by Sunny Coaching classes.
ओके, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि जो नोट्स यहाँ पे सनी कोचिंग क्लासेस में प्रोवाइड किए गए थे वो कितने हेल्पफुल रहे हैं?
I think it was very helpful because most of the questions came directly from those notes, so I can say they were very helpful.
ओके, क्या कोई क्वेश्चंस बिल्कुल सेम भी थे जैसे यहाँ पे आपको प्रोवाइड किए गए हों और जो PAU CET एग्जाम में आए हों?
Yes, there were many questions. In last week we practiced many mock tests and there were many questions which came directly from those papers.
Okay, according to you, what is the role of mock test papers?
I think most important step is practicing mock papers. We used to practice like 2 mock papers daily. I think that was the most important thing.
ओके, अगर मैं कहूँ कि कोई स्टूडेंट है जो अपनी 12th जस्ट अभी करके हटा है और अपनी प्रेपरेशन शुरू करना चाहता है, तो उसे कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहिए? फिर नेक्स्ट कॉन्जिक्यूटिव स्टेप्स मतलब क्या होने चाहिए?
I think if he is in 12th, then he should go for 12th only first, complete the syllabus of 12th class, and then after boards, you can give 2 to 3 months 2+1, it will be more than enough.
ओके, आपके 12th में कितनी परसेंटेज रही है?
I secured 97% in class 12th.
ओके, और अब आपने कौन सा कोर्स सेलेक्ट किया है इन PAU?
I'm going for the course Nutrition and Dietetics.
ओके, न्यूट्रिशन एंड डाइटेटिक्स, इसके बारे में आपको कैसे और कब पता चला?
Well, earlier I had plans for going for MBBS, but then my second option was always going for nutrition.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर स्कोर इन नीट एग्जाम?
I secured 590.
ओके, अब आपको वहाँ पे भी मिल सकती है MBBS में, बट आप यहाँ पे प्रेफर कर रहे हैं न्यूट्रिशन एंड डाइटेटिक्स का कोर्स, ऐसा क्यों?
Well, because I wanted to do something of my own and I think the study of food really interests me, that's the reason.
Okay, and according to you, what is the scope of this course?
I think it has it goes both ways, right? It can have a job field also, we can do something of our own also. I think it goes either way in this course.
Okay, now what are you planning after your graduation? It's a part of job or you want to continue your masters?
No, I'll continue my masters.
Okay, and then what next?
Well, then I'll do job for maybe 2 to 3 years and then I'll do something of start my own setup.
Okay. Where you are planning to set up your own business or something?
Well, I haven't thought so yet.
Okay. What was your daily schedule?
Well, I think my schedule was mostly set up because of those classes. I used to wake up at 7, then 7 to 10 I had my mock class, and then after that I used to have breakfast, and then 12 to 2 I had my biology class, and then around from 3 to 6 I used to do self-study, and then from 7 to 10 I had my classes.
Okay, सनी कोचिंग क्लासेस में क्लासेस कितने ड्यूरेशन की होती थी डेली?
Well, it was around 7 to 8 hours.
ओके, 7 to 8 आवर्स की क्लास के साथ साथ आपको सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए टाइम कैसे मिलता था?
I think classes were more than sufficient because we practiced mock test and I think practicing questions was the most important in the last week. So yeah, I think self-study I was able to manage it.
ओके, अगर कोई स्टूडेंट मतलब टॉप लिस्ट में नहीं है कोई एवरेज स्टूडेंट है जो 70 या 80s में स्कोर कर रहा है अपने स्कूलिंग लेवल पे, तो उसे PAU CET की प्रेपरेशन कब स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए, लेकिन 11th 12th और आफ्टर दैट?
I think if your basics for plus 1 plus 2 are clear, then I think it's not that difficult to crack the exam. Your basics should be strong. Otherwise, if you even start after your class 12th, it won't be difficult to crack the exam.
Okay. According to you, what is the difference between NEET and PAU CET?
I would say that NEET is more NCERT oriented and a lot of deep questions from NCERT are asked. But in case of CET, questions are comparatively easier. That is what I think it is.
Okay. What is the difficulty level difference between NEET and PAU CET?
Ma'am, I think in CET questions are like direct from lines, but in NEET they were beyond those lines. We had to understand each and every line very, very clearly.
Okay. Ishita, what was your expected rank?
Well, I definitely did not expect rank 1, but yeah, I just wanted to clear the exam to get admission in that course, but this was unexpected for me.
Okay. So, अब आप कैसा feel कर रहे हैं? Like that reporters, how are you feeling now?
I am really proud. First of all, I would like to thank the teachers who really, pushed me, because I was actually scared that I started preparation very late, so I was scared, but I think the mock papers really helped me and the teachers as well.
What was your source of inspiration during your study?
I think my inspiration was to have a better future and to make my parents and teachers proud.
Okay. What was your source of inspiration?
My parents and teachers.
Okay. What's your role of your family, friends or relatives?
Well, my parents definitely did support me a lot. When I used to study, they won't interrupt me at all in between. They would let me study as much as I can. So yeah.
ओके. स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत होता है कि जी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होगी, जैसे फ़ोन में पॉपअप करके वो साउंड आता है, नोटिफिकेशंस आ गई ना, स्नैपचैट है, इंस्टाग्राम है, मेनी मोर सोशल मीडिया ऐप्स आर देयर. तो आपने कैसे अपने आप को मैनेज किया कि मैंने उस डिस्ट्रैक्शन से दूर रहना है और पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है?
I think I had fixed my hours for using social media and study, and while studying I would just silent my phone and give it to my mother so that I don't get distracted.
ओके. एंड अपनी क्लासेस के अलावा कितने आवर्स आप सेल्फ स्टडी को दे देते?
I think in last weeks I gave like 4 to 5 hours. Rest time was going for classes only.
ओके. व्हाट वाज योर स्लीप साइकिल?
Well, it was definitely disturbed in the last few weeks.
कितने आवर्स की स्लीप आप लेते थे इवन लास्ट टाइम पे भी?
It was sometimes it was 5 to 6, sometimes 6-7 hours. It varied daily.
So, according to you, what was the most difficult subject in PAU CET and what was the most easiest one?
Well, I've always faced some problems in physics, so for me physics was the toughest in CET, but bio and chemistry were easy.
Okay. Out of plus 1 and plus 2, which portion was greater in your PAU CET exam in physics?
I think plus 1 had greater weightage.
And from chemistry?
Chemistry में I think all over plus 1 had greater weightage.
In biology?
Same.
Okay. What was the difference between ratios of botany and zoology in biology portion?
Well, zoology was a bit more.
Okay. According to you, students should start preparation from theory portion, numerical, chapter-wise MCQ or full syllabus mock?
For PACET, you should go for theoretical portion more. Numericals are very, very less, so I think focusing more on theory is more important.
Okay. The exam is purely from NCERT or a portion is asked from even out of NCERT?
No, this exam definitely does have questions from out of NCERT, especially bio and chemistry. So reading out of NCERT is really important for this exam.
Okay. From where you studied for this exam?
I studied with the help of Sunny coaching classes and NCERT.
Okay. What are your tips for the students who want to score about NEET 600 marks in NEET?
Well, they would First of all, time management, the most important thing, which was my most important strategy. And second, I would say reading NCERT, especially for NEET. But if you want to give PSEAT, then you should go out of NCERT as well. And yeah, I think focusing on NCERT and time management, these were the most important things.
Okay, and what are your tips for PAU CT preparation?
I would say give as many mock tests as possible. Yeah.
Okay. And what are your tips for your juniors?
I think if you want to give this entrance, just get focused, leave all the distractions. It will be, success. You will be successful one day in giving the exam for sure.
Okay. Whenever you have joined Sunny coaching classes, there would be some expectations. So, क्या हम वो सारी expectations fulfill कर पाए?
Yes, ma'am, for sure. Actually, I was so scared. I didn't know what the format would be, what the difficulty level would be for the exam. But all my scared, what I scared, it was all finished when I joined the classes. All the notes provided, all the tests given, they were all worth.
Okay. And would you suggest Sunny coaching classes to friends, family, or relatives?
Yes, ma'am, for sure. These are the best classes I ever joined. And the teachers are so helpful. I'm grateful.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time. And
Thank you.
we share this video on social media platforms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This video was scripted?
No, not at all.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your time, and we really pray that you got your desired position. Wishing you good luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.